everyone, welcome to another sound light activation. So I invite you to take some time out now or come and listen to this later when you have a moment to pause. Take some time for you to come into presence and to activate your light, your love. So please take some deep and gentle breaths. Breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth. I have 13 crystal bowls here and the golden rainbow gong, which is made of titanium. So as you're breathing in and out, really bring yourself into full presence, feeling all your body sensations, welcoming them exactly as they are, whether you're feeling wonderful or not so wonderful. And if there is pain, using your breath to bring softness and expansion, releasing, unwinding, unclenching. Noticing your emotions, your heart, your emotional body. And again, welcome yourself exactly as you are. As we start to breathe and come into presence, often emotions will fall away. The difficult ones. Noticing your brain, your mind or thoughts. And again, watch them come and go. And I invite you to sense, imagine, visualize that you're under a golden column of light. It's coming from our sun, connected to the central sun in our universe. And this is washing and cleansing you and all your energy centers and connecting deeply into the earth. And then breathing up the energy of the earth. So you're activating yourself as a conduit between the infinite and our earth. We are infinite spiritual beings in physical bodies. In a time of great awakening and often great, great challenges. So I wanted to speak today, before I play the sounds, about fear. There is a lot of it around our planet at the moment. I recently had a fall about 12 days ago and had a concussion, and I injured my legs quite badly. And the other night I woke up with a lot of fear. I was frightened about the wounds on my legs not healing. They're on my shin bones. And I was like, oh, hey, I'm feeling a lot of fear. And what I did was try to meet the fear. So I invite you right now, if you have anything you're anxious about, to maybe practice. Perhaps it could be a small thing, or maybe even big. And what I did was notice that there were some thoughts running away like wild horses about serious injury, not being able to dance, becoming old. I am pretty old in earth years. And they were running away. And what I did, which is what I often will do, is I actually listened to somebody of a very high vibration, and there was laughter and joy in that. And after a few moments, it shifted, and then I was like, it will be all right. I am finding solutions. My body loves to heal. And all of that, it shifted. But I am aware that fear comes in very interesting, subtle ways. And sometimes we're in a place of fear without even realizing. And there is a lot of activation of that in the media, in the news, around our planet. So it's very important that we steer ourselves towards presence, towards peace, towards love. So calling on the highest and the holiest to be with us here now. the highest light beings in our world, our universe. And if that doesn't resonate, calling on the spirit of peace, love, compassion, as I play the sounds and invite you to witness fear and allow it to wash away, be deleted, transmuted, activating peace. All is well. There are always solutions. Whatever is going on, you are not alone. You are connected. You are loved. So bless you. Now I'll begin to play the sounds. So thank you very much, everyone. Wishing you a beautiful week and much love. May all beings be at peace. May we be at peace. And wishing us transmuting, releasing, deleting all that does not serve us. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Much love.